Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here. I am back. I am well. Thanks to you guys. If you've seen my last few videos, you have an idea of what I've been going through. But I'm good, I'm alive, and I'm back home. So thank you guys for your support. Also, while I was away, I saw that I hit above 800 subscribers. So I really appreciate you guys. That's very awesome news. It was good to see when I got back. And honestly, I don't even want to talk about the whole ordeal. It was a little much. What I wanted to do before and what I want to do now is talk about silver. So today, I'm just going to show you all this silver coin I got. And that is a Mexican silver Libertad. So right here on the obverse, in Spanish, it reads United Mexican States. You have the seal for Mexico. Has an eagle there, a golden eagle, with a serpent in its grasp, both in its beak and its claws, above a cactus plant, above a podium, and then above oak leaves and laurel leaves ribboned together. Really cool. I really like this this insignia here. This is Mexico's coat of arms. Really nice. And on the reverse we have Winged Victoria. Really cool. I really like Libertads. They're kind of like, they might be my favorite silver coins probably, because I just love the design. So I'm going to show it off to you guys. This is a 1984 coin. There's Mexico below, 0.999 pure silver, 1 ounce. Even though there's no denomination on Libertads, the cool thing is the Bank of Mexico, they consider these coins, and their denomination is whatever silver is worth at the time. So they are technically coins, based on the Banco de Mexico. So yeah, really nice. And the edge here is probably my favorite kind of edge. So if you watch my videos, you know I don't like smooth edges, and I really love reeded edges. But this one here has edge lettering. So let me see if I can find the right part. So right there it says Independence, or Independencia, E, which is and, Independencia y Libertad. So independence and liberty. So yeah, really cool. And my favorite, let me see if I get that in focus. Yeah, it's one of my favorite things to see in a coin is edge lettering. Independencia y Libertad. Really cool, really nice design. So yeah, this is from 1984. They've changed the design since. In my description link, somewhere buried in there, you'll see the 2017 Libertad and the new design. It looks really good. So yeah, I want to put a magnifying glass at this if you don't mind. I just want to show you all some of the details here. So on the reverse we have Winged Victoria, and she has in one hand, well, in this hand she has like a wreath, and in this hand she has broken chains representing freedom. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's getting really dark, but I can show you here. So yeah, broken chains. You can see those broken chain links there. Yeah, that's a good shot. Freedom, and then of course the victory wreath in her hand. She has wings, very good detail in the wings. Very good detail. I really like the Libertads. Of course, she's walking there. She's nude above the waist up, but she has, I guess, I don't know, a gown or something there. Really fine details. You can see the toes and everything. Really good. And in the background are two famous volcanoes in Mexico, and I'm not even going to bother to pronounce them, but they're there. You can see them. I really like this stepped or stone design around the edge here. Really cool. I'll show you the obverse one more time. This is the obverse. Winged Victoria is the reverse, and the same repeating stoned kind of step pattern on the edge there. Really nice. Really good detail throughout. I like this. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. It's a 1984 Mexican silver Libertad. Beautiful, beautiful piece. One of my favorite coins ever made is the Libertad series. Really nice. So yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Thank you all once again for your support. 800 subscribers, the old ones, the new ones. I appreciate you all. And thanks again. See you all in the next video.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done with the video.
Oh, okay, good. Listen, I know you don't want to talk about it.
Yeah.
But whenever you're ready to talk about what happened in that basement, you just let me know, okay?
Okay, babe. I appreciate it. I didn't tell you I was in a basement.